Good morning to all. Today we studied about the is a phylum Chordate is based on presence of the notochord, presence of the nerve cord, and presence of the pharyngeal gill slits. Okay, so these are the three important fundamental basic characteristics of chordates. This is important 5 mark question. Sometimes these are the questions is asked in 3 mark and more one word, that is the examples based questions. Okay, are you ready? Shall we study clear about these phylum Chordata? Introduction about the chordate. So the chordate is the largest phylum with most familiar group of animals. So what are the classes of chordate? Note it. This is 1 mark question or 2 mark question. What are the classes of chordate? The classes of chordate is fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. So these are the 5 classes of chordates, and less known forms such as lancelets of Amphioxus and tunicates azidae. Note it ma, this is one word question. Which one is having a less known forms of this classes? Okay, so all chordate possess 3 fundamental distinct features and some stage of the life cycle. So these are, they have to asking question, what are the 3 fundamental distinct features? Sometimes in 3 mark question write about the heading, or it may be asking in 5 mark question, we detailedly explain. Okay, the first characteristics of chordate is the presence of notochord. So what is the structure of notochord? That is elongated rod like structure. Where it is located, the notochord? Below the nerve cord and above the alimentary canal. Okay, what is the function of this notochord? So it will be, it serves as a primitive internal skeleton like structure. Okay, so these are the notochord. It will be present at conditions of embryo, but we have to grow day by day to attain adult. It will be partially or completely replaced, it forming a backbone or vertebral column. நம்ம எம்ப்ரியோ கண்டிஷன்ஸில் இருக்கிறப்ப மட்டும்தான் நோட்டோகார்டு இருக்கும். அடல்ட் வெர்டிபிரேட்ஸ் நம்ம வளர என்னாகும் அப்படின்னா, ஸோ இந்த நோட்டோகார்ட் கேன் பி ரீப்ளேஸ்டு பை த வெர்டிபிரல் காலம், தட் இஸ் ஸ்பைனல் கார்டாக மாறிடும். கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? பட் notochord cannot be replaced by backbone. That will be, the notochord only persists throughout the life dash that is lancelets and lampreys. Can you understand? So notochord மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும். notochord என்னவா மாறாது, replaced by backbone or vertebral column மாறாத conditions எந்த அனிமல்க்கு அப்படின்னா lancelets and lampreys. Can you understand? Okay, shall we recall what are the points is related to this presence of notochord? Yes, notochord is elongated rod like structure. It will be located below the nerve cord and above the alimentary canal. Yeah, its a function as primitive internal skeleton. So these are the notochord. In adult vertebrates, it will be completely or some cases partially replaced by backbone or vertebral column. Can you understand? Okay, in which conditions persist throughout life of this notochord is present? That is lancelets and lampreys. Can you understand? Okay. The second characteristics of the notochord is presence of nerve cord. So what is the structure of this nerve cord? That is a dorsal hollow, or it is a tubular like structure. So these are the tubular is filled with fluid. What is the structure of this nerve cord? It is a dorsal hollow like structure. Okay, or it is a tubular like structure. So these are the tubular is filled with fluid. Where it is located of this nerve cord? It will be above the notochord and below the dorsal body wall. It will be positioned. Okay, so what is the role of this nerve cord? The nerve cord, it serves as the integrate and coordination the body functions. Okay, in some of the higher chordates, the anterior end of the nerve cord gets enlarged. It will be forming the brain, structure of brain, and the posterior part becomes the spinal cord. So it will be protected the inside the vertebral column. So in mature conditions of these vertebrates, anterior end of the nerve cord forming a brain, and posterior part of the nerve cord it's forming a spinal cord. So the spinal cord, it will be protected inside the vertebral column. Can you understand? Shall we recall the points is related to the presence of nerve cord? Yeah. What is the structure of the nerve cord? That is a dorsal hollow, or it's a tubular fluid fill like structure. It's located above the notochord and below the dorsal body wall. It functions as integrate and coordinate the body functions. And in higher vertebrates, the anterior end to forming a brain, and posterior part it become a spinal cord. The spinal cord is protected inside the vertebral column. Okay, so these are the presence of nerve cord and its functions. Okay, now we completed second characteristics. Okay, we shall move to the third characteristics of the chordate. Okay, presence of pharyngeal gill slits, otherwise that is called as the clefts. So these are the gill slits or clefts. It will be present in some stages of the life cycle of chordates. Okay, so it is a series of gill slits or clefts. It will be perforates the walls of the pharynx. Where it is presence of this the gill slits or clefts, that will be perforates ஒரு சின்ன ஓட்டை. ஓகே, வால்ஸ் ஆஃப் த ஃபேரிங்ஸில் ஒரு சின்ன சின்ன ஓட்டையாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இட் ஒன்லி அப்பியர்ஸ் டூரிங் த டெவலப்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் எவ்ரி கார்டேட். அவனுடைய டெவலப்மெண்ட்டில் மட்டும்தான். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த பெர்ஃபரேட்ஸ் ஆஃப் திஸ் ஃபேரிங்ஸில் இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ இட் வில் பி இஸ் present in two forms, the pharyngeal gill slits. One in its aquatic forms. If the animals, it will be living in a water conditions. So these are the pharyngeal gill slits are vascular, lamellar, and form the gills. It will helpful for functions of respiration. Okay, but in this conditions of this terrestrial chordates, what is a terrestrial chordates? So these, it will be traces of non-functional gill clefts. It appear during embryonic developmental stages and later it will be disappear. One in terrestrial chordates, that is a land living animals. So it is a non-functional gill clefts only appear the developmental stages, embryonic development, embryonic conditions only it will be present. Later it will be disappear. Okay, so these are the three important characteristic features of that is a chordates. Okay, so next is, what are the, this is important 2 mark question, what are the characteristic features of chordates? The chordates are bilaterally symmetrical and triploplastic, and this is a coelometes with organ system level of organization. So these possess the post anal tail, closed circulatory system with a ventral myogenic heart, except in Amphioxus. Note it, ma'am. Which one having does not having a myogenic heart? All chordates having a myogenic heart. That is what is meaning of myogenic heart, ma? What is a muscles is around in the heart? Name of the muscles? That is pericardium. Okay, so the myogenic is a contraction and relaxation is based on this node, that is SA node, AV node, Purkinje fibers. Okay, so next is bundle of His. So these, it will be, it's forming a contraction and relaxations, that is called as the myogenic. Okay, which one not possess this closed circulatory system and with the ventral myogenic heart? That is Amphioxus. Okay, note it, ma. This is one of the one word question. Okay, so now we have to completely thorough the study of 5 mark questions. Can you understand?